Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Slacker was once again doing a deep dive into the food scene over on Facebook and ended up sending me a recipe that I thought sounded absolutely intriguing for a blackberry bacon grilled cheese sandwich. So that's what I'm going to be making today. The ingredients I'm going to be using are 2 slices of sourdough bread, 4 slices of bacon that I've gone ahead and crisped up, 4 slices of Swiss cheese, about a half of a fresh jalapeno that I thinly sliced, a couple of tablespoons of a blackberry jam, and a little bit of butter that's going to help toast the outside of our bread. Those are all the ingredients, so let's start bringing this sandwich together. First thing I'm going to do before I move over to my stove is I'm going to go ahead and butter the outside of my bread. Now that I have my bread thinly buttered on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and move over to the stove and we can start toasting up our sandwich. Here at the stove I have my frying pan gently heating up over a low to medium heat. I'm going to start by laying my first slice of bread down, followed by our 4 slices of cheese. Next thing I'm going to do is place on my jalapenos. You can use as many or as little of these as you'd like. And if you want it, like I have, to make it a little bit milder, you can remove the seeds from the center. There we go. That looks pretty good. The next thing to go on is going to be the 4 slices of bacon. And then I've done a nice generous layer of the blackberry jam. And that is going to go right on top. I'm going to toast the sandwich on about a medium-ish to medium-ish low heat. I don't want it to heat up too fast and end up burning the bottom of my bread before my cheese has a chance to melt. I do want that lovely melty cheese going on in the center, but a nice golden crust on the outside. So I'm going to let it sit here for about 4, maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll check it, and if it's ready, we'll flip it over and get the other side toasted up. After about 5 minutes, my cheese is starting to melt nicely, so I want to go ahead and check the toastiness of the other side. I think I'm going to go ahead and flip it for a little bit. Might need to flip it back. Oh, nope, that looks actually perfect to me. So now all I need to do is toast up my other side to that lovely golden brown color, and we can get this thing sliced up and give it a try. I have got the blackberry bacon grilled cheese sandwich all lovely and toasted up on both sides. So let's go ahead and dig in here and give this thing a try. This is absolutely phenomenal. I love all the flavors going on in here. That blackberry jam goes so well with that Swiss cheese. Such a nice contrasting flavor between the two. That little bit of spice from the jalapenos kind of takes it up just a little bit of a notch. And I love that saltiness from the bacon. Overall, this is a really good twist on a grilled cheese sandwich. So the next time you're in the mood for a grilled cheese sandwich, why don't you give this one a try? But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've all enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.